Hello friends, in this video we are going to study about the data types in a C language. There are different types of data. For example, integer data, float data, character data and string data. Example of integer data are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the example of integer data. Example of floating point data is 11.23, 12.45 are the example of floating data. Character data means capital alphabets or small alphabets. A, B, C, D, small, A, B, C, D, capital. These are the example of character data type. And string data is a book, the, hello is the example of string data. There are different types of data which we use in a C. For example, int, char, float, double, array, structure, union, etc. And what do you mean by data type? Next question. Data type defines the type of data. There are different types of data, and data type defines the type of data. And what is the use of data type? By using the data type, we can define a variable. There are mainly three types of data type. What is a primary data type? Second is a derived data type, and third is a user defined data type. Primary data type is also known as primitive data type, built-in data type and predefined data type. And the example of primitive data types is int, char, float, double, void, etc. And similarly, next is a derived data type. Derived data type is a data type which is derived by using the primary data type. Primary data type is a predefined data type. We cannot create this data type. Only we can use these data types. But derived data type are derived by using a primary data type. And example of derived data type are array, function, pointers are the examples of derived data type. And next is a user defined data type. User defined data type are defined by the user. And example of user defined data types are structure, union, enum. Friends, in this video we mainly focus on a primary data type. And derived data type and user defined data type we will study in a further videos. So this is a primitive data types, and primitive data types can be divided in a mainly four categories: character, integer, float and null. We already discussed character data. An example is A, B, C, D is the example of character data. And there are three types of integer data type: short, int, long. An example of integer data are 1, 2, 3, 4 is the example of integer data. And next is a floating data. There are two types of floating data type: float and double. Example is 12.11, 13.24 is the example of floating data. And next is a null. And here we can see that the size of data types, and this size is for 32-bit CPU, and this size can be vary if you are using other CPU. For example, it can be vary for 64-bit CPU, it can be vary for 128-bit CPU. So next, what is a character data? It will occupy 1 byte in our memory. And next is a integer data. Then there are three types of integer data type: short, int and long. So what is the difference between among them? The difference is the size. For example, if we want to work with a small number, then we will use short because it will occupy only 2 bytes. But if we want to work with a large number, then we cannot use short because the range of short is limited. Therefore, we have to use int or long. For example, if we want with a small data, then it will occupy 2 bytes, and range of the short is minus 32,768 to 32,767. Means the short can store maximum 32,767. If I want to store like this, (32,800), means this data can't be stored by short because the range of short is 32,767. Then how we can use this number? If I want to use this number, then we have to use either int or log. So this is an example of integer data. Next is a float data. There are two types of float and double. Both can store floating data, but what is the difference between them? Difference is here. For example, 11.23456 is the example of floating data. The precision value in a float is up to 6 digits. Okay, but if I will use double, then after decimal it can store 15 precision value. So this is a difference between both, and double gives more accurate data. And if we want work with no data, then we will use void. Void means null. You cannot use 0 because 0 is also a value, but null means nothing. And one more thing is here, format specifier. Format specifier means what? It specifies the format. For example, if we want to work with character data, then I will use %C format specifier. If I want to work with a integer data, then I will use %I or %D. If I want to work with a float data, then I will use %F. So this is a format specifier. It is mainly used when we want to read or write these data types. Then we will use this format specifier. So friends, this is a primitive data types. And if you need more videos related to computer science and information technology, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button for latest notification. Thank you.